Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best RV power converter chargers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Powermax 110V to 12V DC power supply converter charger. Powermax is a privately held corporation with headquarters in Bradenton, Florida. The company has offered a wide range of electric products including battery chargers, AC/DC power supplies, DC/AC inverters, generators, converters, etc. for over 15 years. This converter charger from Powermax turns 110V AC power to 12V DC power to charge RV batteries and or other onboard equipment. With its advanced 3-stage smart charging and fixed single output mode with 13.0V DC to 16.5V DC range, the lifetime of RV batteries is considerably extended. This charging system is compatible with any battery type and delivers very clean DC power. This unit can also be wired with other PM3 series models or operated in parallel to reach even higher power output ranges. The current limiting design and built-in reverse polarity and thermal protection of this RV converter charger prevent it from damage in case of overload or short circuit conditions. Pros: high output, smart 3-stage battery charging, comprehensive system protection, easy installation, LED indication. Cons: heavy. The PM355 model with a perfect marriage of the state-of-the-art features and high power output ranges can be considered as one of the best RV converter chargers available on the current market. Number 2. Our second best pick is WFCO 55 amp deck mount converter. WFCO is a well-known U.S. manufacturer of automotive and RV supplies with over 40-year experience on the market. The company presents its WF9855 compact-size RV converter charger in a deck mount designed to fit different RV and trailer models. This model comes with 55 amp DC output and a rugged housing which keeps all insulated DC connections safely arranged. This unit also features 3-stage battery charging modes, including 13.2V DC range float, 13.6V DC range absorption, and a 14.4V DC range bulk modes. Besides, it has overload and short circuit protection. Another advantage of the WF9855 model is its non-interference with TV, radios, or other signals. Pros: high output, insulated connections, 3-stage battery charging, compact size, comprehensive system protection, easy installation, FCC Class B compliance. Cons: since the cooling fan runs with a constant speed, it can be noticeable during the night time. The WF9855 is the reliable and advanced power source in a compact design, thus it would be the best option for smaller RVs. Number 3. Our third best pick is Progressive Dynamics Inteli Power 9200 series converter. With the production facilities located in the United States, the Progressive Dynamics Incorporated offers a vast variety of high-quality electronic products including power converters like this PD9260CV. This 60-amp model is designed to deliver reliable filtered DC power to all RV 12V lighting and appliance circuits. With its built-in Charge Wizard system with the microprocessor, RV battery charging takes less time. Besides, the system monitors the battery status on a constant basis, thus preventing over-undercharging. The Charge Wizard automatically selects one of 3 charging voltages and one of 4 operating modes depending on the battery status. Also, this converter charger features a comprehensive system protection against high/low voltage, overheating, electronic current limiting and reverse battery protection to ensure its durability for a long-term perspective. The variable speed smart cooling fan monitors converter temperature to select the speed required. Variable speed intelligent cooling fan. Pros: high output, smart multi-stage battery charging, auto monitoring of battery voltage, variable speed intelligent fan, comprehensive system protection. Cons. Expensive. In my opinion, this RV converter charger features genuinely impressive abilities to deliver high output power to your RV electrical system and provide a rapid and safe recharging of its batteries. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is WFCO Black 30 Amp Power Center. This all-in-one unit is the last but not the least product in our top list. The WF8735P is a decent power supply option, taking into account its ability to deliver up to 35 amp DC output or 13.2 to 14.4 V DC to support multiple onboard appliances and electronics in your RV. Additionally, it comes with an integrated AC-DC distribution system with 30 amp main AC circuit and a total of up to 520 amp AC circuits. Also, this model has 6 DC branched circuits with LED indication. This unit also features 3-stage charging, which is performed in auto modes, thus contributing to the longer life of RV batteries. In particular, it can select the nominal voltage output 13.2 VDC float, 13.6 VDC absorption, and 14.4 VDC bulk charge modes. The short circuit and reverse polarity protection of this power center ensures enhanced reliability. Its smart cooling fan is activated only when the temperature limit is achieved and ensures almost noiseless operation. This model also complies with FCC Class B regulations, thus guaranteeing absence of any interference with TV, radios, or other signals. Pros. Multifunctional unit. AC-DC circuits. Uses a smart 3-stage charging system. Silent operation. Offers versatile system protection. Compact power center. Cons. Requires professional hand during installation. This multi-purpose system creates everything to support the electrical system vitality of any recreational vehicle. Besides, the WFCO WF8735P is one of the most compact power centers in its class, making it suitable for usage in smaller RVs like camping trailers. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is our Arterra 30 amp power converter. WF8955 model provides 55 amps and a clean, constant 13.6 VDC nominal output for reliable operation of electronics and appliances. Automatic 3-stage charging extends the life of your battery with output voltage modes of 13.2 VDC range float mode, 13.6 VDC range absorption mode, and a 14.4 VDC range bulk charge mode. Quiet operation, cooling fan runs only when needed. Electronic current limiting automatically shuts down the power during overload or short circuit conditions, protecting the life of your power center and electrical system. FCC Class B compliance. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.